Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time I would like to convey my speech about global warming. So if you want to know more, stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever heard about Arctic is been melt down and the islands in Oceania is been sink little by little every year by the ocean? If you don't know, I will tell you now. The islands in Oceania, in the east of Philippines, is been sink little by little every year because of rising ocean, and rising ocean is caused by Arctic meltdown. Why Arctic is been melt down? Arctic melt down because of high rising temperature in the air. So this is called global warming. Global warming is caused by greenhouse effects. So, do you know about greenhouse effects? Greenhouse effects is happen when the gas such as like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and chlorofluorocarbon is trapped in the atmosphere. So the sunrise, sunrise is when it hits to the earth, it cannot be moved to the space again. It just trapped in atmosphere. So that's why the temperature is rising little by little. Every year, I think the temperature in the earth is been rising by zero point 0.5 degrees, I think, because in my place, I'm in Indonesia, in Karawangi. It's been hot, not just like 5 years ago. So I feel more heat in Karawangi because maybe the global warming effect. So what we can do to deal with global warming, especially with greenhouse effects? We should do 3R. Do you know 3R? 3R is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce is when we reduce the waste, the using of waste, such as plastics and styrofoam, aluminum. Aluminum is consists to recycle. Plastics and styrofoam for the example. So we couldn't bring more pollutants to the earth. The second one is reuse. This time reuse, in my opinion, is use the thing when it can be used in another time, not just for one time. For example, I use the paper bag rather than plastic bag, so it can be reduce the pollutants, and the paper bag is reusable. The third is recycle. Recycle because I use the paper bag, it can be recyclable. Except the paper bag is recyclable. For another example, such as newspaper, boxes and bottles, and aluminum, as I said before, and that is the thing is recyclable. So my friends, global warming and greenhouse effect is not just simple problem. It is the biggest problem in the world right now. What we can do is do that things that I said before. 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle. We might not clear the problems quickly, but little by little, bit by bit, I think we can make the earth is better, with no pollutants and with the clean air. Also, I think we could bring more cold temperature to the air by reduce the greenhouse effects. So that is what we need to do right now. So this is my speech. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.